A very warm hello to all you beautiful souls. You are listening to me, Preeti Vora, a tarot card reader and an emotional health advisor. And today I'm here to talk about the most powerful Surya Grahan solar eclipse that is falling on the 21st of June 2020. The timing in Mumbai is 10 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. You can check for your own zone basis on the time and date, the link which I'm sharing below. You can check on that. Now, this solar eclipse is an annular eclipse. What do I mean by annular eclipse? इसमें ये होता है कि the moon overshadows the sun completely. Okay, however, क्योंकि चांद धरती से बहुत दूर है, हमें ऐसा लगता है that चांद छोटा है और सूर्य बड़ा है और एक रिंग, आग का गोला फॉर्म हो जाता है और रिंग ऑफ फायर इज फॉर्म्ड. ओके, however, this is a great time to maximize all that you want in life, but you have to be mindful of the choices that you make. Now, here is what you should do during the Grahan. Meditation. Very important. You can do jap, chanting. ध्यान लगाइए, chants कीजिए, जाप कीजिए. The most common jap you can do is Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. During this period, do not cook food. And yes, during this period also do not touch the God's idol. Do not keep your ghar ka mandir open or anything. Just keep it shut. Don't touch any God's idol or murti, but you can continuously meditate and do jap because the soul is your God. It is your Param Atma. ध्यान करते वक्त आप inwards connect करते हो and that is where God resides. So you don't have to touch any murtis. You don't have to touch any temples or keep it open. Keep them closed. Stay by yourself, ध्यान करो, मंत्र जाप करो, that is the best for you. अभी often people do is they play mantra on their phone or the music system and they leave it. Don't do that. In fact, avoid the use of electronic gadgets during the Surya Grahan. So जितना आप कम से कम यूज़ करोगे, आप टेलीविज़न, म्यूज़िक सिस्टम, टेलीफोन्स, मोबाइल्स से दूर रहोगे, उतना ही बेटर होगा. सूर्य ग्रहण के समय खाना नहीं पकाना है. डू नॉट कुक फूड, और जो आप खाना सुबह को पका लेते हो तो उसे कवर्ड रखिएगा. You can also put which I will come to later, what needs to be done post the grahan. However, don't cook food during the grahan, and food that is already cooked, please keep it covered during the grahan. नाउ ग्रहण के समय सोना नहीं है, पानी अवॉइड कीजिए, खाना अवॉइड कीजिए, गपशप मारना अवॉइड कीजिए. जितना हो सके आप इनवर्डली कनेक्ट कीजिए. जो सूर्य का पावर है, जो इस ग्रहण का पावर है, उसे टैप इन करने की कोशिश कीजिए. Connect with your own self. You are your best friend. So stop gossiping with people. Stop talking to other people other than your own self. इस दौरान नाखून नहीं काटना है. डोंट कट योर नेल्स, डोंट कट योर हेयर, डोंट कट वेजिटेबल्स. अवॉइड यूजिंग एनीथिंग दैट इज़ पॉइंटेड दैट कैन कट और नो. If you can avoid going to the washroom, avoid that as well. Now, during this grahan, pregnant women have to take extra care. So if you are pregnant or you have anyone in your family who is pregnant, please share this video with them. It is a strict no for cutting, no stitching work, no movement. They cannot even sleep. Okay, they have to just be sitting in a comfortable position and resting. Take rest as much as you can. Also, keep one coconut during the grahan kal. Now, this is only for the pregnant women. गर्भवती स्त्रियों के लिए ही है कि आप एक नारियल अपने साथ इस ग्रहण काल के समय अपने पास रखिए. Wherever you are sitting, shanti se, just keep a coconut so that if there is any kind of effect on the Surya Grahan, it happens on the coconut and not on you or your baby. Then once the grahan is over, you can just discard this coconut, put it away, put it under a tree, put it in water, but just put the coconut away after the grahan is over. ग्रहण खत्म होने के तुरंत बाद सभी को स्नान करना ज़रूरी है. Immediately go for your shower. You can add a spoon of salt in your bath and cleanse your body. Or if you have Ganga Jal, a few drops of Ganga Jal in your bathing water will help. You can also sprinkle Ganga Jal throughout your house, even on the food that you have cooked which you had covered. Just sprinkle a little bit of Ganga Jal, it should be pure. If you do not have Ganga Jal, take a gold finger ring, a pure gold finger ring, no diamonds, nothing, just a simple pure gold finger ring. Dip it in water and using that finger ring, just sprinkle all over your house. Gold has the power of cleansing. It's considered to be extremely pure. So just dip your finger ring in any normal water and sprinkle that all over your house. You can do this if you do not have Ganga Jal. Now, donation is very important after a Grahan, because you are just happy giving away all that is not serving you. You are ready to let go. It has a significance. So to honor that significance of that, you are ready to let go so that you open yourself up to receiving something more. Please donate jaggery, wheat, मतलब गुड़, गेहूँ या कोई भी फूड आइटम्स, तेल, चावल, आटा, कुछ भी डोनेट कर सकते हैं. कपड़े, न्यू कपड़े, प्लीज़ पुराने कपड़े मत डोनेट कीजिएगा, न्यू कपड़े आप डोनेट कर सकते हैं. अम्ब्रेलाज आप डोनेट कर सकते हैं, ब्लैंकेट्स डोनेट कर सकते हैं. आपके मन में जो आए वो आप डोनेट कीजिए. यदि डोनेट करने के लिए कोई नहीं है, कोई इंसान नहीं है लेने वाला, या आप बाहर नहीं निकल सकते हैं डोनेट करने के लिए, सो इन एन एनवेलप यू कैन राइट सूर्य ग्रहण डोनेशन. कुछ पैसे डालिए उसमें, एनवेलप को साइड में रख दीजिए. जब आप घर से बाहर निकलेंगे, आप उस एनवेलप को किसी भी ज़रूरतमंद इंसान को डोनेट कीजिएगा. टेम्पल्स में मत डालिएगा, किसी भी ज़रूरतमंद इंसान को वो आप एनवेलप हैंड ओवर कर सकते हैं. वो पैसे आप डोनेट कर सकते हैं अगर आप तुरंत नहीं कर पाते हैं तो. ये सारी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखिएगा. यदि आपको कोई भी जानकारी और चाहिए इस पे, इफ़ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेरीज और डाउट्स, प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू राइट इन टू मी. यू कैन ऑल्सो follow all of my groups, and there's lots of positivity that I've been sharing on YouTube and the other portals like Facebook, Insta. Please do like, do follow, and all of the links are given below. Show me some love, express gratitude always. In fact, I am very grateful to you for watching this video, and do spread it to people who need it, who you think should know. Give and experience the joy of giving. I wish you all a healthy, prosperous life ahead. May this solar eclipse bring in a very positive change in your life. Be open to receiving, be open to letting go of what is not serving you. Stay healthy, stay blessed, stay indoors.